that about? So you want to walk down to the Camera Obscura?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We can walk down there later if you want.
Yeah, I just wanted to take a look.
So I don't think people don't swim in there, right? Maybe they used to.
No, it's just the reservoir now.
Maybe they used to. Yeah.
Saunas there.
It's pretty cool. All right. I feel much happier now after getting that breakfast.
Oh, it's a really nice breakfast.
Yeah. I think the location was nicer too. I think the Camera Obscura is on the back side of this. Look at that view. I wonder what that is in the distance there. So you can see in the distance there's some stuff out there. I wonder what that is. Ooh, that's a nice view too, look at that. Hmm?
That's the other side of like Sausalito.
Yeah. It's on the ocean, so I don't know if that's like military stuff or people live out there. Yeah, look at that. You can go in through the cave down there. Looks dreamy. Oh yeah. Looks nice.
California politics is going to get interesting.
I think that guy's talking about California seceding. Some people actually want that to happen. I don't think that would ever happen, but.
I think it's possible.
I don't know. I don't think it really is. But... Let's ask about this camera. Is there a Camera Obscura nearby somewhere?
It's downstairs. I'm not sure if it's open, but you can try. Take the elevator.
Oh, okay.
Go to the ground
Thanks.
floor. Right.
Ground floor, right?
Ground floor. Yeah. place looks nice too. Probably more expensive.
You want a ground floor or one? One?
Yeah. Restaurant.
Have a nice day. What else did you want to see in this area?
I don't think there is much else in this area.
Where's where the buildings are at?
Apart from, the ocean. And I don't
Schools
think,
used to look good here.
I can't
Looks like
remember
it looks like
anything
a
else.
slaughter factory.
I can't remember putting anything else on the map.
Over
of this
there,
area.
where the buildings are at.
Pretty cool. We scale the top of my scale.
It's a nice jacket.
It's Tilly's. It used to be Tilly's.
It's not his basement.
The ground. Right, there's your 2 rights. Over here, huh?
That's, I guess so. Oh yeah, it's just heavy.
So I think it's closed, so this is the location of it. It's nice. Show your picture here.
No, that's no problem.
Selfie.
Let's take a selfie.